Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of 20-day React course. In day 3, we learn about state and build a counter app using useState. Today we will learn event handling in React, which means responding to user action like clicking and typing. By the end of the video, you will understand how a React handle event. What is event handling? Uh, an event is any user action like clicking a button, typing in a input, hovering or hovering any element. React allows us to handle this event and run a code when this happens. Event in React versus JavaScript. If you know JavaScript, you may have used event like on click. In React, event are similar but with camel case naming. Like if we want to use like name.txt, okay. In JavaScript, we generally use it like on click, but in React, we use like on, and the C will be capital in it. This is called camel case. And okay, let's start with a simple click event. First of all, I am removing all the CSS file. Like I don't know need for now. Delete and removing or complete function app and return. Okay, thank you. And export default app and here in through which I I when I click on that button, it will print hello in my console. So first of all, I write a handle greet. Okay, alert. Okay, I do alert and console both. Console dot. I think it will be little confusing. So I think just alert message when I click on a button and I want that on click this greet will call by the button. Okay, if it work, okay. I have not given any name. Okay, I'm giving this a name grid. Okay, when I click on grid, it should give me a alert message. Okay, it's giving me. It's working. Okay, we made a click event. When we click on this button, a alert message will show me in my website. Okay, here a click handling handle click is a function when the button is clicked. It's mean a grid function is a function when a button is clicked. React automatically calls a function. We one more thing, we can directly write this in my on click itself using a arrow function like this. Yes, it will also work. Oh, it's working. Okay. You can either make a explicitly a function or make an arrow function inside your element itself. If a code is or a function is very small, then you can make that logic or a function inside your element. If it's long, you should make it outside the element. Okay, and now I want to use my event handler with state. So for first of all, I need to import use state from React. Okay, and I am making const um, message. I want to write a message send message, and I want to write a message hello. First of all, it will be hello, and if and I want to print message here. Okay, now what I want is when we on click set message value will become welcome to the React 20 days. Okay, according to me, before clicking on the website, let make this bigger. H1, this is also H1. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, according to me, if I click on change text, it should change to welcome to React 20 days. Is it working? Let me click. Oh, it's working. Okay. When the button is clicked, when the button is clicked, state updates, React re-render the component, UI change automatically. And now handling input change. Okay. Now we are changing comment out it. Okay. And I think it will work. Okay. And let me check if it is working. Hello. Okay, it's working. Okay, then what I have to do, I want to write input. Okay, and first of all, I input, input, and I want to give a haven handler on change, on change, like if mm, okay, something is missing here. I don't, I need to write it here. Okay, I think it will for. Okay, I want that set count, set name, set name. First of all, I should set name. Uh, whatever I change that event, it will take. Okay, set name and event title value. Okay, and it should work. And the placeholder should be name. Okay, and it will show on hello, then name. Okay. And I am going to make a state post name set name, and initially it is nothing. Okay, and let me check it. Is it working? Okay. For now, it's nothing. If I write Nitin, it's working. It is changing this. If initially I write like this, your name, what will happen? It is showing your name. And as I write here, like Nitin, it changed everything. Like React give us a event object. Okay. Event dot target dot value give the input value. This is called controlled object. Okay. Whenever we use state with event handler or a component event handler, it is called control component. I think I have to tell it again. If we change any event using state, it is called control component. That component is called control component. Okay. Now, passing argument in event. Uh, let make something we want to. Let's first of all, I am going to make it comment out. Okay, and I want to make a function here. Function, function greet, and here I take name and alert alert hello plus name. Okay, or it should work, I think. And here I write button where on click greet and I write Nathan. Okay, what should happen? Like when I click on button, it should give me a alert message in which my name is also mentioned. It's working. This is how we use argument or pass argument in event. Okay. I think it's very similar to passing throw, but uh, I think you have not noticed, or if you notice, it is just a function. It is not a component. Okay, there is a little difference between component and function, and very first is that the first word of a component is capital, but in the function, it is not necessary to be capital. Okay, that's why we are using it as directly. Okay. If it was a component, I I sh- I will use it like user dot name. Okay, I think you understand what I want. I'm giving you the task on in which a button. When you click on that button, you will get the information about user, their name, their age, and their what? Um, their marks also. Okay, I want you to complete this and write down in the comment